We stopped by booth 3734 this morning to talk with Joe Tossi of IPG Group, and I was wondering if you could tell us a little bit about what IPG is.
Sure. IPG is the second largest manufacturer of tapes and films in the United States. We have been in business since 1981, and we have grown rapidly from nothing to a $750 million company over the course of 30 years. So we have been, our biggest problem is we've been way too quiet for way too long. We're a very large company. We make what we like to call the best products no one's ever heard of. We make a full line of masking tapes, duct tapes, carton sealing tapes. We're the only manufacturer that makes carton sealing tapes in all forms of adhesives: hot melt, acrylic, natural rubber, water activated tapes. So we have the broadest portfolio, we like to think, in the industry. The problem we have is not a lot of people know of us.
Do you think that the show will give you some good exposure? Are you excited about the show?
I think the combination of the show and some of the new products that we've come out with are going to give us that attention. We have grown up primarily through the industrial channel. So we are very well known in industrial, and primarily because of the quality of our products. Our products are on par or better than anything else you'll find on the market. As a result of that, we are very prominent in aerospace, we're prominent in automotive aftermarket, we're prominent in building and construction, HVAC. We just have not tapped into the retail industry as much as we should, and that's what we're trying to fix.
We managed to grab James Bologna at the Intertape Polymer Group, and we were wondering if you could tell us a little bit about this Block-It product.
Well, Block-It is the next generation of edge-treated masking tapes. It's actually a product that has chemical that's infused into the paper, which repels the paint when it comes into contact with the tape, causing a very, very clean line, a very clean finish that the DIYer craves.
Now, James, I know that Intertape has been very close with the independent retailer for a long time now. What are you hearing that retailers are needing, and how are you responding to that?
Yeah, we've been working with independent retailers for over 30 years, and we've listened to a lot of their requests and taken a look at the market and how it's evolved over time. In order to support the independent retailers and frankly to address some of the Planet DIY processes that you're involved in, we've created different merchandising solutions that address the space concerns associated with the department. Category management is also important to independent retailers, and we offer up an entire lineup of our masking tapes that can actually create a department within an independent store that closes out exactly what it is that they're projecting to their customers. A space where they can shop for the tapes that they need.
Now we've kind of slid over to the area of your booth where you guys cover package and shipping products. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Well, as a vertical integrator of tapes and films, IPG has the ability to produce a variety of different products. Some of the products aren't exactly hardware related, but they have a department and they have a footprint in some of those locations. Packaging and shipping is a very big industry, especially in the economy we find ourselves in. People are moving a lot lately, so we're selling a lot of carton closure tape and stretch film. We make our own materials that go into the manufacturing of our stretch film and tapes. We blow our backing, we create our own adhesives, and we have a range of products that we're bringing to market that include premium products. It includes stretch film, and this is a unique kind of stretch film, by the way. This is oxo-biodegradable stretch film, which means that it degrades in a landfill like no other stretch film in history. We actually are the only people that produce oxo-biodegradable stretch film. It's quite a unique product, and we're showcasing it at the International Hardware Show.
Okay, James, now I've seen a lot of people milling around over here. What is this product?
Well, I'm really proud of this product. Actually, it ties into a lot of the things we discussed just a little bit ago. Children making products out of duct tape. Well, we wanted to kick it up a notch. I mentioned earlier that we got into printing camouflage duct tape. Well, now we're producing a glow-in-the-dark duct tape. We're naming it Firefly, and what it does is basically it takes and allows us to create a little bit more of a connection with the kids that are already doing a lot of the crafting with duct tape products. Firefly is unique in that it gives you a really cool finish, a cool look, and we're hoping the kids are going to love it. Our tests actually show that they gravitated towards it really quickly, so we're really excited about Firefly. It presents an opportunity for us to address a variety of different new channels of industry.
Now, James, I've noticed a lot of consumers asking for made in America products. How does IPG fit in with all that?
Well, as an organization, we produce our products all in the United States. All of our pressure-sensitive tapes are made in the United States. Our duct tape, Firefly, our camo, all of our masking tapes, all of our carton closure tapes, they're all made in America, made in facilities that we support local communities, very much like the DIY or the independent retailer supports his own local community. We support our local communities by producing our products in the United States.
Well, that's great. Well, I just wanted to say thank you so much for giving us a tour around here. And everybody at the show, you'll want to stop by booth 3734 and check out Intertape.
Thank you very much.